I'm going to blow on this book as hard as I can. However, no matter how hard I blow, it's not enough force to fight the force of friction that is holding this book on the desk. I would need more force to fight that friction. Anna and Emma are holding some sticks. As they throw them, they fall to the ground. This is demonstrating the force of gravity. Also, as they jump down to get the sticks, they are also demonstrating the falling force of gravity toward Earth. All of the forces on my desk are balanced. Even the things that appear to be pushing up and maybe gravity would pull them down are not being pulled down. And we know this because everything is still and everything is balanced. I like especially seeing that wire stick up and not fall down because it is balanced. As Anna and Emma roll around on the floor, they are using their muscles to unbalance the forces. Gravity might pull them down to the floor, but their muscles keep them moving.